She is also a proud supporter and volunteer of Love Yourselves programs. Would you please join me in welcoming the one and only Miss Universe 2015 and UNAIDS Goodwill Ambassador for Asia and the Pacific, my sis, Pure Spec.
Ito na, mahaba to. Maraming salamat. First of all, thank you so much for taking the time to come here. I know we started a little bit late, so I do apologize for that. But thank you so much for your patience, and I hope that you were able to be entertained while waiting, and sana nakakain din kayo. Nung paakyat ako dito, I actually didn't expect this many people to be here, but I'm glad to see this, and it really nakakataba ng puso, at talaga it's so heartwarming to know that so many of you are interested and that you have come here to support and to listen and to share your afternoon with us for such a very important cause. Pagka kinakabahan ako sa isang mga ganito, yung mga press conference, usually means it's important to me. And then that it's a good sign. So actually, nung paakyat ako dito, nagsisink in na sa akin na all of the ideas that I had earlier in the year are now slowly coming true. And it's amazing how you have an idea and a thought, and then you visualize it, and then you share it with a few people, and then nagkakataon na you all have the same goal and the same passion and drive, and you all want it. You all want to make it happen, and then things align, and then now we're here and we're doing the press conference, and on December 3, it's finally happening. So